So guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to craft the perfect AI image prompt for your Leonardo. So to do this is pretty simple. I'll get straight right to the point and there's gonna be no cuts and doubts. So here in your Leonardo AI, just go to AI image generation. So of course, your first goal is to know what you want. So here in your prompt generation, so this tool will allow you to come up with more complex prompt ideas from a simple basic prompt text. So let's just say we want a Pixar animation boy with a capybara. So here it will make it more complex for you for the prompt itself that we're gonna use. So right here, let's try to do this. Let's go with 2. So here, let's generate it. So you can choose the amount, and it's gonna use tokens obviously for your AI generation. So once you have done that, of course, there's gonna be filters here like photo real v2, alchemy v2, prompt magic, transparency, public images, and even image dimensions. You can do advanced controls with size, and you can also do manual adjustment of size and guidance scale and tiling basically. So from there, as you can see, it's really like Pixar like. So if this is what you want, there you go. So you can also go with photoreal v2, and you will have to upgrade, of course. So there you go guys. If this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.